And one of the problems with quantum mechanics is in relying on the mathematics, it often becomes, I ask people who are involved in this to explain, what is this universe we live in? And are there structures in it that we don't even know really exist, and we only see glimpses perhaps because theory breaks down and it says there's something here we're not seeing? Or do you think this is a universe, the problem is just we don't understand how to explain it right? Or is there something else there that we don't see at all?
Well, in a sense, not entirely. Your question is the question between the instrumentalist and realist approach. The instrumentalists would say the real world is particles and fields, and we simply don't know anything about them until we make a measurement. We can't say what they're doing out there. We can say what will happen if we make a measurement, and the wave function and the Born rule answers that question. So the instrumentalist approach takes the attitude that you referred to. We just don't know what's going on out there. We can't say, leave me alone. The realist approach attempts to say what's going out there. What's going on out there is a wave function that is progressing with time in a perfectly deterministic but incredibly complicated way with many histories. And that's a possible answer, which would be a complete answer if it was correct, but I don't know if it's correct. And yet, of course, there's always the third possibility that there's something else entirely, that we're going to have a revolution in science which is as much of a break with the past as quantum mechanics was a break with classical physics. That's a possibility. It may be a paper by a graduate student tomorrow morning will lay it all out, but by definition, I don't know what that would be.